So to make the octopus, I've got some coloured paper, or if you haven't got coloured paper, you could paint it, that's fine too. Some scissors, some glue, some sellotape, 2 different paint colours, and I've got some googly eyes. If you haven't got googly eyes, you can just make some with a round circle of paper and put a black dot in the middle with your pen. Okay, keep watching to see how to make it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my paper and cut a square that's bigger than my toilet roll end. Okay, so if you put the toilet roll on there, can you see? It fits on nicely. Then we're going to stick that over the toilet roll. So I'm just going to take it and squash it down like this with my hands. And then I'm going to get some sellotape and stick it so that it can't move. Put some tape all the way around. So that it doesn't come off. Okay, then I'm going to put my toilet roll on the end of my piece of paper. Can you see I've put the end and the end of the piece of paper in exactly the same place? And I'm going to hold it and I'm going to make a mark there with my pencil. Then I'm going to move it on a bit and do the same. And again. And again. And you'll see I've got lots of lines in a row. I'm just going to join them up, and that is going to be the line that I'm going to cut on. So then you need to cut that out carefully as you can. There we go. And then you get your glue, and you need to cover this everywhere with glue. So I'm going to go all around the edges, and then I'm going to do all of the middle as well. Make sure you've got lots right on the ends, because that's where you're going to need it. Then I'm going to put my toilet roll on, and I'm going to roll him up like in a little blanket, like he's going to bed. Okay, so that it looks like this. So find the end that's covered, turn to the other end that's got the hole, take your scissors, and we're going to cut some slits about halfway up the octopus, like that. Can you see? And you're going to do that all the way around as many times as you need to. Okay, and there we are at the end. Then we're going to take them and we're going to bend them out a little bit to look like the octopus's tentacles. There should be 8, but I think I've got more than 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, my octopus has got too many legs. Oh dear, never mind. Okay, I'll give my octopus a little squash so that his legs all come out like that. And I've got my paints ready. I've chosen green and yellow. You can choose whatever colours you want. And now we're going to get ready to paint. I'm going to use a big finger. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to put that into my darkest colour. And all over the octopus, I'm going to put spots. Even down his legs. Can you see that? And I'm going to continue
until he's covered.
When that's nice and dry,
I'm going to use my little finger now, and I'm going to use the other colour, and I'm going to go on top of the dots that we just did. Can you see? If you wanted to, you could use a cotton wool bud for this, like we did last week. But sometimes I think it's nice to get your hands all messy. And you continue all the way around until you've finished.
when that's done, you're ready to stick the eyes on. So choose the best side of the octopus. One of mine is definitely better than the other one. Put some glue on and stick his eyes on. Same with the other one. And there you go. The little octopus is all ready. Or maybe you want to give him a mouth with your pen. Let's do that, shall we? Here we are. A little mouth. There we go. All finished.